Hi guys, Charity here from Smoking Eagles Rod Shop, and as you can see, we're putting the winch on the trailer area. I know what you're thinking. Doesn't your yard already look like a parking lot? And yes, it does. But this is a special car we have to go get. In order to work on the 1964 Studebaker Daytona convertible that we have, we needed a G-body chassis, and we have finally found one that Dustin is willing to pay for. So we are headed just a couple miles up the road to grab that today. Anything you want to add?
This is going to be epic. You guys are going to really like this project. Super cool. Super cool. And I've never body swapped anything before, so her first YouTube channel project is going to be simple. I'm sure of it.
Easy stuff. Anyway, we will see you when you get there.
Yeah, I think we got a lot of parts here. I think this is a pretty sweet deal. What do you think? It should work for what we're going to do.
Yeah, definitely.
For sure.
Hey guys.
What's up?
As you can see, we picked up the car. It's a 1979 Monte Carlo.
It was.
It's a jigsaw puzzle now. Why is it a jigsaw puzzle?
Well, the guy originally had this car in high school, stripped it all down, was going to paint it. It was in a little rougher shape than he had hoped, and kind of lost sight of the project. So the guy we picked it up off of said, I'll make you a smoking deal. Only stipulation is you got to take everything. I didn't know what everything was. I just agreed, and we went there, and obviously everything was everything. He told me, it's all there. You could bolt it back together. I'm sure somebody probably could, but man. Yeah. So, like we said, this chassis is going to be for your
Studebaker, 1964 Studebaker Daytona convertible.
So, we're going to pull the body off of the chassis in a later video, but the next video is going to be our 79 Monte Carlo unboxing video, where we take everything out of this car, we string it all over the yard here, and see what we actually got. Who knows? There might be a pet hamster in the bottom of this thing. It's just, there's so much crap in there. I think we're all going to be surprised what we find. But yeah, so we'll make a 64 Studebaker playlist, and yeah, we'll get this party rolling on this project.
Yeah, and if you don't remember the Studebaker videos, he'll post them up here around our melons.
Yeah, so I'll post around my melon here other videos and things we're doing in the shop. Make sure you go check that stuff out when you get a chance. We got merch available on our website, hats, t-shirts, things of that nature. If you're interested in any of that, we have a membership program here on YouTube that helps us buy projects like this, as you can see, and a lot of Permatex. But anyway, yeah, we also have a Facebook group. Go check that out. Post pictures of your projects, because I'm sure they're further along than this one is. Probably in better shape. I don't know, because you haven't showed me yet. But yeah, I look forward to talking with you guys over there, and Charity too. Now that she has a project car, she's part of the group.
Yay.
All right, guys. Well, we'll see you in the next video, and until then,
keep on wrenching.
peace.